Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about running a cleaning business while working a 9 to 5. Okay? So, I know it's a lot of you guys out there that may still be working full time and you feel like it's hard for you to juggle both worlds. Okay? So, I'm here to give you a few tips on how you can get this done still, and just to kind of let you guys know that it's still possible, um because at the end of the day, I'm not a big fan of getting paid hourly for my time. And if you really truly want to live a abundance lifestyle, and I'm not talking about like rich, but you really, I feel like people should want to live at least a lifestyle where you don't live paycheck to paycheck and you can comfortably pay your bills. Okay, because we all know that the system is systematically designed in a way that keeps you working like a hamster on a hamster wheel, just running, paycheck to paycheck. And it's never going to stop because the bills are going to keep coming. And it's just like a never ending circle of brokenness going on from generation to generation. Okay. So how I was able to climb out of that paycheck to paycheck thing was creating a company. Okay. So I say all that to say how important it is to make those sacrifices. Now, if I was working a 9 to 5 still, I'm going to give you guys a few tips on what I would do if I was working a 9 to 5. First of all, you got to think about the 9 to 5 that you choose to work for. Um, for me, if I knew I wanted to start a cleaning company, I would probably find a job in that field. Like if you want to start a bakery, go work for somebody that has already that does that so that you can learn. Okay, that's one thing. So I decided to work for like 3 different cleaning companies. I was a housekeeper, I was a janitor, and I cleaned buildings at night. And then I worked for a franchise company underneath somebody that was they had the job, and I was just working underneath them, getting paid $9 an hour. So those were my jobs, and I worked them, and I was able to learn from those jobs. The reason I like the industry was because one thing is I can work for the industry that I'm interested in with. I can do that. And not only that, but I can listen to my headphones while I was working. So that was one thing that I was thinking. I said, you know what? I can zone out. I can put my headphones on, and I can educate myself while I'm getting paid to do work. Okay. So that was some of the things that I would think about. Another thing is if you find a job that is kind of like a sitting type job, security. I used to do security overnight, and it was really like a laid back type position where I can be on my phone because it was like a boring job. Like literally I worked for a warehouse, and I just had to wait for the truckers to come. And then whenever a truck would drive up, then I'll just make them sign off on a paper, and then they go through the gate. Easy, simple, boring ass job that I had, but I had a lot of time on my hands, right? So I would utilize that time and use this device right here. Okay, people don't understand how beneficial this device is right here. you know so you can market on your phone. You can utilize that time to gain knowledge, to market on all your social media pages, to grow your pages, to post ads on Craigslist. So these are the times that you can utilize to get it in, until you get off of work. Um Another thing I would say is create some passive income for yourself. I wasn't going to name this one because I know the mass majority of people won't do it. But I feel like it's really important, especially when you're working a 9 to 5. You're gonna need something else, because that's not gonna be enough. Okay, so create some passive income. I can only name some of the things that I have done for myself. And one of them is becoming an affiliate, you know, and the whole affiliate thing works wonderful when you create a personal brand. So you would have to do that as well, create a personal brand. And when you create a personal brand, you can become affiliate for people that are around your industry, okay, and make money off of it passively. Okay, so not only that, but let's say you don't really want to get all into that. Okay, that's fine. You can make money passively by through ebooks. You know, sit down, and while you're at that boring job, they have an app that's called, what's the name of this? Otter, OTTER, where you can talk to it, and it will just type out the words that you say, and you can basically talk out your book. You don't have to sit there and type it like, the olden days. You can just talk to your phone in chapter 1 and in chapter 2. These are just little ideas that you can get. But once you put together that ebook, you can sell it forever digitally. You do the work one time, and now it's passive. So start thinking of ways you can make some passive income, because you're going to need money coming in passively to fight this paycheck to paycheck hurdle that you may be in, working the 9 to 5. Last but not least, I'm going to say, working a 9 to 5, you're going to have to make some sacrifices, like some really, really hard sacrifices. Now, if you work 5 days out the week, most likely you're off 2 days. So those 2 days will be the days that you work on your business. Okay, so those not going to be your fun days. If you're off on the weekends, there's no more partying. Okay, no, you really have to sacrifice and put your all and get really, really intentional with this thing. Put your all into it. And because it's for the greater good, it's going to get you out of the 9 to 5 is what you want to do. So people don't understand the whole sacrifice part. It's amazing how some people are more loyal to the 9 to 5. Like, they're like, man, I can't call out. I can't, and I get it, because you're scared, and it's the job security thing that got you like this. Like, no, I need my job. I need my job. I mean, I understand, but at the end of the day, if you just trust me on this, you have to put some time, make some time for your business, because your business is going to take you it's going to take you to a whole nother level, baby. A whole nother level. It's a whole new world when you start creating a business. Okay, like, this is something that's you can pass down to your kids. So this is major. Okay, so it's well worth you telling your manager, no, I can't come in no extra day. Nope. Nope. No, ma'am. I can't come in the extra day and work, because you got to work on your company. Okay. Not only that, but try to find a job try to find contracts that pay you. Try to find contracts that you can work after hours. Like, for instance, we almost got a Navy Federal account with the bank. I did the video on it, but I didn't finish it. But we ended up not getting the account. But if we did get the account, it was going to be an after hours account, where they give us the code and the keys, and we can come in after the bank is closed. Perfect type of job to work for. So you guys can go out and look for jobs like that. Look for some banks that you can clean after hours. Okay. I believe I was going to quote them. in between, it was in between 140, 150 a night, and it was 5 day a week account. Okay, so it 150, 140, that's what my quote was going to be daily for that bank. And we didn't get the account because somebody else came and they bid us out. But the lady that I was talking to, she was interested in going with us for the 140, you know. But it is what it is. But I just wanted to throw that in there just to let you guys know that that's another thing that you guys could do. Okay, find like a bank, or there's a lot of office facilities. Most office facilities will give you a key and you can go clean it after hours. So don't feel like you can't juggle both worlds. Okay, it's not that hard, you guys. It's not hard at all. You just got to get intentional with this thing and just get busy. But don't let you working that 9 to 5 stop you from starting your business. A lot of people feel they let it hinder them, you know, and they feel like, you know, they don't clank, man. I got a 9 to 5. I be tired when I get off work. Listen, it's well worth the fight. Trust me, it's well worth the fight to work on your business. If you ain't got the time, you got to make some time. Okay, you got to make some time, because you know what they say. You're either going to make some time or you're going to make an excuse. Okay, so that's my time. Okay, I just want to shed a little bit more light on this whole 9 to 5 thing. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Until the next video, I'm out of here. Bye-bye.